and Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Spalding County in west central Georgia, southern Rockdale County in north central Georgia, southeastern Fayette County in north central Georgia, southwestern Morgan County in north central Georgia, Henry County in north central Georgia, Butts County in central Georgia, Jasper County in central Georgia, Newton County in north central Georgia, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oakville, Oregon, 7 miles northeast of McDonough, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, McDonough, Conyers, Covington, Jackson, Madison, Monticello, Stockbridge, Hampton, Lovejoy, Locust Grove, Oxford, Porterdale, Newborn, Flavilla, Brooks, Mansfield, Jenkinsburg, Shadydale, and Rolsey. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Tornado watch number